So, hello students. So, today we will discuss about the chemical change. Chemical change is the chemical reactions. When chemical reactions proceeds, it form a new substance which indicate that chemical changes has taken place. And how we can know that a new substance is formed? These four evidences indicate the formation of new substance, that there may be change in color, gas may be released after reaction, a new substance in the form of solid may be formed, there is change in temperature of the reaction mixture. So these are the four evidences on the basis of which we can say that a new substance is formed. And formation of new substance is very peculiar feature for the chemical change. Here some examples are listed, like burning of wood, uh, cooking of an egg. Cooking of an egg, we know that when we boil egg, the liquid part present in the egg get converted into solid part. It is due to change in the nature of the protein. What happened? The protein which is present in the liquid part, when it is heated, the nature of the protein is changed, and due to this the protein gets solidified. Rusting, explosion of पटाखे जो फूटते हैं, तो उनके ये जो फूटते हैं, ये भी एक तरह का केमिकल चेंज है. इसमें लाइट प्रोड्यूस होती है, साउंड प्रोड्यूस होती है. Hardening of concrete. So all these are example of chemical changes. Rusting of nail. We know that nail is made up of iron. The symbol of iron is Fe. So when this combines with oxygen in presence of moisture, it forms iron oxide Fe2O3. This iron oxide is called as rust, and after rusting the weight of the iron is increased. So we see that before reaction iron is different, and after reaction oxygen get combines with the iron and a new substance is formed. Also there is change in the texture. So we can prevent rusting by the use of paint, grease, or galvanization. What is galvanization? Galvanization is the plating of a layer of zinc over the iron. What this layer of zinc do is it prevents the contact of iron with the oxygen. Hence the iron present inside the zinc layer is safe and does not get rusted. Effervescence tablet is also an example of chemical change. You all have seen the bubbling when we put ENO into the water, or there is effervescent tablet when we dip it into the water. There is release of gas CO2, and this gas is released. When this gas is released, it forms bubbles in water. The reaction of vinegar and baking soda releases CO2. This is also a chemical change, and it is also an example of neutralization. There is acid in the vinegar, acetic acid, and there is base in baking soda, sodium bicarbonate. So when acid and base reacts, it forms salt. We have read in the neutralization. So in this gas is released, and color is also changed. CO2 gas when mixed into the lime water, it turns the lime water into milky color. This is a confirmatory test for CO2. The milky water when the lime water get milky, it indicates that the gas have CO2. Now the burning of wood is also a chemical change, and the chemical change are non-reversible. Generally, most of the cases, the chemical changes are non-reversible. Even burning of anything is non-reversible and it comes under chemical change. So students, in our next class we will study about crystallization.